Hello friends, welcome to my channel, My Creations, My Solutions with Anamika Tyagi. Let's start the video. In this video, you will get knowledge and study about the metric system of measures of length, mass and capacity. And I will explain the use of decimal notation in these measurements. So please watch the video till the end. So let's see first measures of length. As you can see, I have prepared this chart to explain the units of length by which it can be measured and their value also shown to understand how do we calculate it. So first of all, we will understand this chart. As higher units of length are kilometer, which is denoted by km in this chart, and smaller than kilometer is hectometer, which is denoted by hm. Similarly, decameter is smallest than kilometer and hectometer, and which is denoted by DAM. Here you can see m in the center of this chart, which is meter, the base unit of length, and denoted by m. Also here the lower units of length are given as decimeter, which is denoted by dm, centimeter, which is denoted by cm, millimeter as denoted by mm. Millimeter is the lowest unit of this measures of length. Now the question arises, what do we do to convert higher unit into the base unit and into the lower units? And what do we do to convert lower units into the base unit and into the higher units? So let's see this. When we have to convert higher units to the base units, we need to multiply. Understand? When we need to convert higher unit into the base unit or into the lower units, we need to multiply. And when we need to convert smaller unit to the base unit or to the higher unit, what we have to do? We need to divide. Clear? All this metric system is based on a power of 10, just like our number system. To move between different units of length, you need to do is move to the decimal place, as each unit have the value of multiple of 10. Also, you can understand the value of the units in this way, as 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer, 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. As I mentioned before, that each unit has the value of multiple of 10. So it can be understood in this way also. Similarly, we will understand that all this chart, measures of length, measures of mass and measures of capacity, will follow the same concept that I had explained for the chart given above. Am I clear? Now we will solve few questions so we will understand properly the conversions of higher units into lower units and the conversions of lower units into higher units. So take the first question as 8 kilometer into meter. So first of all, we have to understand that kilometer is a higher unit and we are going to solve into the lower units. How much 1 kilometer is equal to how much meter? So we can see that it comes 3 tens in between kilometer and meter. It means 10 tens are 100 and 100 tens are 1000. We can take it 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Understand? Now that is easy. 8 multiplied by 1000 meter. It means we have answer 8000 meter. Clear? 8 kilometer converted into meter and our answer will be 8000 meter. Let's take another question in the decimal form, which will be 9.54 kilometer into meter. Similarly, as I done before, 1 kilometer will be 1000 meter. Here we have a number 9.4 multiplied by 1000 meter. So it can be, you can multiply as a whole number. As I already explained in the decimal videos, that decimal number we will multiply as whole number, and in the product we will put the decimal as we will have in the question. So one decimal place I will put one decimal place. It means what answer we will get here? 9.4 kilometer converted into meter, we will get the answer 9400 meter. It means 9400 meter. Am I clear? Let's solve these questions, which is on the topic of conversions of lower units into higher units. What we will do, as it is given 8 kilometer 275 meter into kilometer. First of all, we will write 1 meter is equal to how much kilometer? 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. As I explained before that from the lower units to convert into higher units, we will divide. So we can write into fraction form, and 1000 you will get by counting of tens comes in between. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometer, that comes 3 tens. So we can understand that it will be 1 upon 1000. Now 8 kilometer is given into kilometer form, so we will write as it is, plus 275 given into meter, that we need to multiply by 1 upon 1000 to convert into kilometer. Clear? So we will write into kilometer. 8 kilometer plus that will multiply by numerator, so it comes 275 upon 1000 kilometer. What happens? 8 kilometer, and that will divide by this number, so we will get the answer 0.275 into the decimal form. Understand? Now what happens? We will add both the numbers, so we will get 8.275 kilometer. How to divide this? You need to watch the previous videos I have uploaded, how to divide fraction number and comes answer in the decimal form. Now let's do the another one. 35 meter 28 centimeter into meter. It means, so here we will find out 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Here it is given 1 meter is equal to centimeter, 2 tens comes, so 10 into 10 100. When we are going to divide, we will write into fraction form. So here 35 meter plus, we will do the same things, that meter is given already into the meter form, so we will add it and we will convert centimeter into meter. 28 multiplied by 1 upon 1000, sorry 1 upon 100 meter. So here 35 meter plus 28 upon 100 meter, that will change into decimal form when we are divide that. So 0.28 meter and 35.28 meter, that will be answer when we add these two numbers. Am I clear? I hope you all have understood that how to convert higher units into lower units and how to convert lower units into the higher units. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thank you.